Hi guys, I'm Faraday here and welcome to our first ODI Topology video. To work with ODI so that ODI can do the ETL work, extract, transform and load tasks, it needs to work with data models. But what are data models? Data models are nothing more than metadata. Metadata is what? Metadata is data about data. That's what metadata is. And to do that stuff, the next step ODI is gonna do is work with logical views, logical schemas. In the logical schemas, we're gonna do some reverse engineering to get the metadata. That's one point. The next step we're gonna need is to say, okay, but from which context are we gonna load that data? Are we gonna load that to the development server, to the test server, to the production server, to our server in São Paulo, to our server in New York? So in order to make things easier so that you do not have to make lots of setting ups, ODI works with the context idea, which will connect to a physical source, which is indeed a data server. For example, we're going to connect with an Oracle technology. So we set up a data server and then we say which application is going to work in which context. In each different context will point to a different server. Like the development server would point to this, like if I use the context development, it's gonna do all the load data to the development server. Otherwise, if I want this very same application, if I want the very same application deploying to a test server, all I need to do is during the execution, I choose the test context and it will deploy the information to the test server. The same thing will happen. We can have the very same applications deploying to the production server. And those servers, we said development, test, and production servers, but they could be servers in different countries, like I said, in Sao Paulo or New York. And this is it about ODI topology. In the next lesson, we're gonna do some hands-on work.